this recipe we're going to be needing some carrots, celery, leek, garlic, onion, green peas and some asparagus. We're going to start off by chopping our vegetables quite roughly, so they're all about the same size. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to saute our vegetables. So we just place them all in a pan and just saute them for about 5 minutes. Okay, the beautiful asparagus and pea soup is done. So all we're going to do, we're going to get a blender and we're going to put all the ingredients right in there. Just be careful, this is very hot.